We're on the record in two cases. The first case is cause number 3258800. The second case is cause number 3258802. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Timothy Allen Savoy. Mr. Savoy, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Savoy, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Savoy, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Savoy?
Okay.
That's good. Mr. Savoy, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1, which is titled the Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. Now, on page 2 of this document, Mr. Savoy, there are some initials next to a line that says guilty. Are these your initials?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me back up. Now, Mr. Savoy, the information states that on or about September 28th of 2019, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, you were charged with the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Savoy, how did you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Savoy, I have before me State's Exhibit 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. On page 2 of this document, on the line next, on the line that says guilty, there are some initials. Are these your initials?
Yes, sir.
And on the next page of the same document, above the line that says defendant, on page 3, is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, which is the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, on the line that says defendant, is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, you should have a document there before you. That document is titled the discovery certification. Do you remember signing line 2 of that document? Mr. Savoy,
Yes, sir.
on the discovery certification, where it's on line 2, the line that says defendant, do you remember signing that document?
Yes, sir.
Now, prior to signing and initialing the documents on the tablet and the documents that's before you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. McIntosh, you've advised in counsel, Mr. Savoy, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Savoy, your attorney, Mr. McIntosh, has advised that counsel you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Savoy, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you're mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of guilty and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The state is offering 60 days jail time, credit for time served, taxing and retiring court costs. And the state will also be dismissing case 325800.
Mr. Savoy, the state is offering that you serve 60 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time on this case in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 60 days in jail. Therefore, your time will be, you'll be given credit for time served. If you owe any court costs, then you will not have to pay the court costs either because your court costs will be taxed and retired. In addition, the state will be dismissing cause number 325800. Mr. Savoy, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir. It's fair.
Do you accept the state's offer? Do you accept, Mr. Savoy, do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Savoy, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Savoy, uh, please follow the bailiff and have a good day.